This is just a very quick tutorial on how you can provide a Google Doc to your students. They can fill it out and then submit it. Works kind of like Google Classroom if you've ever used that. Each student gets their own copy of the Google Doc that they can do whatever they want with. So on the assignments page in Canvas, you're going to fill everything out as normal. So I put the title in, I can put whatever directions I want. When I scroll down, got my points. And then the only part that's different is the submission type. So normally when we look at the drop down, we've got these 4 submission types, and sometimes teachers will use the no submission or online. In this case, we're going to use the external tool. Click Find. This is in alphabetical order, and we scroll down to Google Docs Cloud Assignment. What this is now doing is bringing up your Google Drive, and so you can search for the worksheet that you want to provide for the students. I'm just going to scroll down and see what I got in here. And I will just go with this blank template here. So as soon as I click on that, you can see that a Submit button pops up, and I click on that. I then choose Select. I like to load in a new tab because then the view for the students is better. And then as we go down, we just need to put in a due date and then save or save and publish. This is what it's going to look like then for the student. So when they go into Canvas and they click on that assignment, in this case Training 1, they would click on this box, and it then opens up their copy of that worksheet so that they can then type into that, and then they can go back to the assignment and submit it from their Google Drive.